What's good, Bully fam? TBK Wes back with another video. I had somebody ask me on the comments, what do I feed my pregnant dog? So I'm actually out of dog food right now, so I'm gonna go grab some of that so I can show y'all, and I'll be right back. Yo, what's good? All right, y'all still don't know where I'm at. I'm gonna let y'all know, man. I'm at Costco, man. All right, I'm at Costco. If y'all didn't know, if y'all didn't watch my old videos, y'all know I get my dog food from Costco, man. Yeah, Kirkland puppy, man. So let's go get us some Kirkland puppy. Grab me a cart and stay tuned. All right. Yeah. I don't know about those brands, but yes, starting from here on, that's good dog food, guys. All right, that's good dog food. Now, what we came to get is, bam. Oh yeah. Hold up. Let's take a look at what we got here. Can y'all see that? I'm trying to get the glare off. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Not bad, huh? Not bad at all. Two of those. Let's see, we got Nature's Domain. Salmon. That's the salmon, guys. Got beef. And we got a big bag of adult salmon. Salmon meal. Oh, salmon and sweet potato. It's like, what's the difference? Let me see something. This is just salmon by itself. Okay. All right. And this is another one, guys. Small breed salmon. Thought this. Oh yeah, there we go. Sensitive stomach. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So, oh yeah, also grain free, man, for you grain free fanatics. Yes sir, yes sir. All right, man, that's all I want to show y'all. Let's get back to the car. Yo, shout out to EAR Bullies for the advice, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, we made it back to the house. This is it, guys. It's that Kirkland puppy right here. So what I do is, over here in my program, I feed this from after I do the third AI. I just feed her puppy and every day and during the entire pregnancy. It's very important that you continue to feed your dog the puppy food after they have the litter, because they still need the nutrients in the puppy dog food. If you don't, the puppy milk, the mama milk will be not as good as it's supposed to. And the way you can tell is if the puppy's poop is not hard. So this is what I feed from all the way from the beginning to the end, guys. So answer your question, this is what I feed my pregnant dogs, and pretty much that's it, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm out of here. Peace. Like and subscribe if you like this video. We just roll that bud up. We just roll that bud up. We just roll that bud up. We just roll that bud up.